You guys, so today we're going to be removing the subframe bushings, and I went ahead and ordered the Z1 tool to remove all of them. We have 5 total, 4 at the corners and the one that holds the differential up. So today's going to be awesome. All right, you guys, so it has been a while off all the links and everything. Washed it down with the degreaser and it came out very good. Like, it literally looks brand new. All right, so let's see what's all in the box. All right, you guys, so this all came in the box. You get this. This is pretty much the little cylinder that the bushing is going to go into. And this is the insert that you use to push it out, that really digs into it. And with a threader, or I don't know the proper name for it, but okay, you guys, so I never done this before, but hey, it's a learning experience. So you want to take the smaller rod, you want to coat it with the lubricant, say about a little bit more, just enough to have some room to pull out the bushing. And then you want to take this, put it on the back side, then you're gonna feed it through. Then you're gonna take your other washer and nut. Let's see. Just to make sure that it gets situated on there. Oh shit. So guys, this is how I set up. I don't know if I did my wrench, but I used the brake before. You guys, there. Don't know if I did my wrench, I used the brake before. I only did a couple turns, I can already tell that it's going to push out. So, let's see. There we go. It's very good. Yeah, on weekends. On weekends at Run House, 4 cents. Okay, there was tension, and now it's like becoming very easy. Okay, actually, rubber on the inside. Okay, got it. Make sure. Oh yeah, nice. And there we go. Wow. Nice. Hell yeah. So I just gotta untighten this bolt and dump this thing out, man. And that's the subframe bushing, or the differential part, that is. So now we still have to get that collar right there, and that's what this one is for. So let's do it. What's up, you guys? So I had to switch cameras. I had to go with my big camera because both of the batteries on my GoPro is dead. So I have just knocked out the subframe differential bushing, or let's just say the differential bushing in the subframe, whatever. So I got loose and I'm trying to set it up to where, oh man, that's why I don't like my big camera, because I have to use two hands. So let me see if I can position it right, so that way you guys can see what's going on. Push it back. Alright. Okay, this is where we are right now. About to take out the first bushing sleeve. So it's already came through. So it's just a quick pull off. I'm gonna show you guys. This metal sleeve. If Christmas doesn't come here before twisting off this down there. Alright. Boom. Still got pieces of bushing falling out. And I give you guys a quick look. Boom. Let me focus my camera. Hang on. See. Cool, man. I'm so glad I bought this damn tool, man. 4 more fucking corners. So hopefully on the new Z they don't do this shit, man. Hopefully they just put polyurethanes. Cause man, it is a workout getting this shit out of here, man. So we're gonna try the see how far I can get along today, and before it gets too late, because you know, get ready for work tomorrow. Gotta get up at 4:50. So let's see how far we can get. Let's see how far we can get with it. All right, you guys. So I'm already attacking one of the corners. I got the breaker bar up top. I switched back to the smaller thread pin, and I have a 7/8 on the wrench at the bottom, 7/8 socket on top on the breaker bar, and my camera's, there it goes, focus, and it's working, it's pushing it out. So for the smaller ones, you want to use the smaller pins, and for the metal sleeves, you want to use the bigger pin. So guess repeat this on all 4 corners. See how much I can get done by the end of the day. You guys, so I got the second bushing out. This is one of the corners. I just kept twisting and I felt something came loose. And then boom. So, camera won't focus. There we go. So, yeah. That's half of one down. And so now I'm gonna take this die right here, put it over the top like that, and then tighten it down with the bigger thread pipe, and that's it. Knock this thing out. Alright you guys, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. And I'm pretty much gonna get started on it tomorrow, because I still gotta get stuff ready for Monday work. So later, peace out and live your life. Till next time.